Some PC myths.
New PCs run fast than old ones.
You should remember that the speed of PC depends on how many programs are installed, whether operating system is compatible with hardware, how much space does the data takes, and how clean is the system from viruses and various other aspects. If you know how to put things in proper place, an old PC can be also equal with new PC.
When your PC slows down, it means that it should be replaced.
Running newer operating system or larger software programs on an old computer could lead to slow performance, but replacing or upgrading a particular component may do good in this case.
Speed up your PC and internet will be faster.
You can always add memory and see the improvement, which shows that things are going a little faster. Cleaning out computer and defragging the drive can help to accelerate speed as well. If you have a low bandwidth connection, you cannot get higher speed on internet, even if you have a modern computer. This means you will need to buy a higher bandwidth internet connection for faster internet, not speed up the PC.
Refreshing desktop screen make it work properly.
Many of you right-click the empty area on the desktop screen and refresh it
as a matter of habit.
And you assume that it will make the icons work properly. Unless any modification is done to the icons and their paths, refreshing the desktop screen doesn't make any difference, and refreshing it is not necessary.
PC era is over. It's all smartphones these days.
It's true that smartphones and tablets have become more powerful, yet desktops continue to provide a valuable and useful role in both our homes and offices. When it comes to raw computing power, it's hard to beat a desktop. It's true that you can run popular games like Fortnite on your phone, but when it comes to gaming, the PC reigns supreme, offering the best graphical performance and top-tier multiplayer experiences possible. See you!